From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ 100 has risen slightly during the early hours on Friday, as it looks like we are going to try to continue to drive much higher. There are a couple of things to think about going forward. Number one, it's President's Day on Monday in the U.S., so that will obviously have its effect. Unless you're trading the CFD markets, then it might be a little bit funky. But at this point in time, I think you've got a situation where you should also pay attention to the options expiration during the day. There's over $2 trillion worth of options expiring, and that could cause a lot of chaos. Because of this, I think the market's probably one that, unless you're thinking more long term, you're probably better off leaving alone for a minute. The 20-day EMA underneath should offer support right along with the 50-day EMA, which presently sits right about the crucial 17,000 level. Just underneath there at 16,950, we had a previous resistance barrier, and it should now have support attached to it via market memory. Either way, the NASDAQ 100 doesn't look like it's going to fall very significantly anytime soon, as complacency has hit the market. Every time it dips, buyers step in. The idea that the Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rates in 2024, of course, has been propelling stock markets higher in general. And right now, I don't see that dynamic changing. That doesn't mean that it's going to be a straight shot higher, nor does it mean that it's going to be an easy move. But at the end of the day, I do think that we eventually break above the 18,000 level and go looking to reach the psychological milestone of 20,000 above. That will take some time to get there. But it's obvious that buyers are very much in control of this market, and I just don't see that changing anytime soon.